Here we've got DOOGEE S50, and let me show you how to invert colors on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select accessibility. Where is it? Here it is. So just click on accessibility, then go a bit lower, and here you will notice color inversion. So if you'd like to activate inverted colors, just tap on this switcher. And as you can see now it's active, so you can smoothly use your phone with all colors inverted. As you can see, everything is changed. The display is black, then the letters are white. Here you've got the difference in colors. And if you'd like to turn it off, you have to go to the accessibility again and then turn it off by tapping on the switcher again. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.